welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Genesis. If you're new to my channel, then welcome to the beauty family. And if you're already part of the family, then welcome back, girl. Today, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing another Valentine's Day tutorial, but this eye look is super simple, super cute, super easy to do. So if you want to go ahead and see how you can achieve this look, then definitely keep on watching. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, you guys. I'm going to be using the Jack & Hill palette in collaboration with Morphe. Don't mind her, she's a little dusty. Today's eye look is going to be super simple, super quick for those girls that don't like to wear too much makeup or are not used to wearing too much eye makeup. I'm going to go ahead and do a super easy tutorial that you guys can follow. Again, it's going to be easy, nothing too complicated. So we're going to go ahead and dive right in. So if you have this palette, then obviously you can recreate this look. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I am going to jump into this color here first, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply that onto my crease. And I'm just putting this color into my crease using back and forth motions depending on how dark you want it. Then obviously you would pack on more color. The lighter you want it, then obviously the less product you will use. Everyone's different. There's girls that don't like to wear too much eyeshadow, and then there's other girls that like to go ham with their shadow. So I decided to do like two different tutorials for you guys. One that's like more of a glam eye look, and then now this one that's a little bit more settled for all my girls that are not used to wearing too much eyeshadow. So that's pretty much the color there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and work on my lid. I'm gonna be using this like pink shimmery shade, and I'm literally just gonna apply that all over my lid, you guys. Okay guys, that is pretty much it for the eyeshadow. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and work on my eyeliner. It's going to be a little bit more dramatic, just so it can really give, you know, this eye look a little bit more of a glam, but not too glam. Just kind of like, you know, just a little sprinkle. Let me go ahead and find it because I don't know where Nicholas put it. Well, since I can't find my eyeliner, you guys, because my son lost it, and you guys know that all my makeup is packed, I really can't do eyeliner. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop on my lashes now. I'm going to go ahead and use these lashes by the company Maggie Lashes. And I'm going to be using them in the style Flirty. Just because it's Valentine's Day, you know, I want to feel a little flirty. And I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara first. As always, you guys know I like to apply mascara before applying my lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and pop these babies on. So there are my lashes. While I let the glue dry, I'm going to go ahead and start working on my bottom lash line. For the inside of my eye, I'm going to be using this brow pencil. It's just a brown shade. And I'm going to go ahead and go back into the palette. I'm going to make my waterline just a little bit more intense. So for that, I'm going to be grabbing this brown color here. Just going to go ahead and place it on my bottom lash line just to kind of give it like more. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of black to the bottom lash line as well, but not all the way, just kind of keeping it on the outer part of the bottom lash line. And now, of course, I'm going to go ahead and add some mascara to my bottom lashes. Now, as always, I'm going to go ahead and add some inner corner highlight. I'm going to be using the same shade that we used for the lid. So that's pretty much it for the eye look, you guys. It's really simple, super easy. Now I'm going to go ahead and move on to my lips. I'm going to be just using something simple, something easy, a nude lip, just because I feel like it goes with everything. I'm going to be lining my lips with this NYX Natural Lip Liner. Really? Now I'm going to go ahead and add the lipstick. This is by Essence in the shade Cool Nude. And that is pretty much the finished look, you guys. What do you guys think? It's super simple, super easy to accomplish, nothing too complicated. I feel like it's super cute, like flirty, you know, when your man's talking to you, just like give him the eyes. I'm just kidding. But yeah, that is pretty much it, you guys, for this eye look. I really hope you guys like it. Let me go ahead and zoom you guys out a little bit so you guys can get a feel for the look. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already so you can be part of the beauty family. And don't forget to comment down below any requests that you may have, any questions, any concerns, or anything you would like to comment. Go ahead and leave it down below in the comment section. Remember, every like, every view, every comment really helps out my channel. So I would really appreciate it if you can leave your girl some love. I'll go ahead and catch you guys in my next video, and I hope you have a great Valentine's Day, whether you spend it by yourself, with your friends, with your families, with your boo, whatever you decide to do. I really hope that you have fun. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.